In a hurry? To get somewhere? The Wavefront will take you there and back again. The latest model from Wavefront Motors brings you a sleek new design and an abundance of trailblazing features that harness the latest technological breakthroughs to deliver you from point A to point B in turbo speed. This battery-powered vehicle runs entirely on renewable energy, so it's an environmentally sustainable way of getting around. Riley and Ryan, the vintage warriors, search high and low for extremely rare finds. You won't believe the $1 million objects they found at the local store tucked away in a back alley. Can you believe this kid, Mikey? The best pitcher Cleveland has seen in 40 years! It's good to hear from you again. Ready to order? Please choose one of the following meals: the chicken meal, the vegetarian meal, the gluten-free meal. Okay, thanks for choosing the chicken meal. Please let me know which serving option you would like from the following list: 4 servings, 6 servings, 8 servings. Great! I've got you down for 8 servings of the chicken meal.